Okay guys, guys and girls, this is another video by Karcher K2. Today we're going to take some moss off this damn roof. This is an asbestos roof, so be careful. Good for cleaning drains as well. So you can see just the difference between a couple of seconds and that. So it's going to take a bit of work, but yeah, this little machine will do it. Don't like it, don't recommend it, but you know, it will eventually do the job. Should have had a longer lead, but hey, there you go. Thanks for watching, guys. Will I recommend it? Yeah, for small jobs. For big jobs, no. No power and annoying little lead, but apart from that, not bad.